Hello, welcome to this episode of our channel CNN API Group. Friends, today I am going to throw light on a vital question. Is there any reference, description, prediction, or intuition of coronavirus or COVID-19 in any Indian ancient Sanskrit scriptures or 5 to 10,000 year old Vedic Sanskrit scriptures? These days, social media is full of this type of claims and statements. To support, uh, dispute, refute, and contradict this statement and claims, one has to go through a rapid testing, or better say, COVID 19 like rapid testing. After going through thorough examination and rapid testing, what I found that, of course, there is a reference of epidemic and pandemic caused by virus and bacteria in Rig Veda and Atharvaveda, two of these four Vedas. But we can't say conclusively that there is any reference of coronavirus or COVID-19 in Rig Veda or Atharvaveda, or for that matter, any Ayurvedic scriptures which is or which are um, subordinate of Atharvaveda, or Upaveda of Upaved, subordinate of Atharvaveda, Upaveda. That's Ayurveda is called Upaveda of Atharvaveda. But when you go further, we found in another Vedic scriptures, or we say later Vedic scriptures, like Narad Samhita, Vishishta Samhita, and Brihaspati Samhita, there is, to an extent, we can say, of course, there is a clear-cut illustration, evidence of or statement. There's clear-cut statement which says that uh, mm, that there will be a pandemic caused by virus in the period in which we are going through or passing through, and that pandemic will be originated from an eastern country, far east country. In COVID-19 situation, we see that is China, and the city is Wuhan, neighboring India. This country, China, is neighboring India. So, to an extent, this statement seems to be quite true. This statement is again supported and corroborated by another Vedic text, composition, scriptures like Vishis Samhita and Brihaspati Samhita, saying as when Saturn is the ruling planet of the year, then that year will be caused and cursed by plunder and big pandemic, big devastation, plunder, and worldwide loss in terms of life and money. So, and that is true. That's quite true. We see today this is exactly what happening worldwide. This statement is supported by another fact, astrological fact, that when there is Sadastak Yoga, means 6 planets comes assembles in a single house, single and same house during a solar eclipse. Then, then the year and time year coming after that will be cursed by plunder, pandemic, devastation, and big loss of in terms of money and lives. Interestingly, astrologically, this fact is true. In fact, last year on 26th of December, at the end of the year, there was a full-size solar eclipse, and during solar eclipse, that solar eclipse, there was a Sadastak Yoga, astrologically. So we can say again, this statement seems to be quite true. But there are other statement also running in the social media, like there is a Krona Racha Astut Kabacham, which is drawn from Shiv Purana. But after going through thorough examination, what I found that the statement is entirely baseless and sort of a fake news. In fact, that Kabcham, Krona Chara Kabcham, is composed by a contemporary Sanskrit scholar some time back during the spread of Corona COVID-19 or coronavirus pandemic. Friends, if you like this video, if you find this video interesting, please like, share, and subscribe it. Thank you for watching this video.